network marketing recruiting tips, how you can 10x your business in 2021 into 2022. I'm gonna give you my tried and true 3 tips that are going to help you recruit like a boss, bring your business, elevate it to the next level, and make sure you stay until the end because it's my #1 tip on how I've been able to recruit hundreds of people into my downline in just a few short years. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, my first tip when you are recruiting is it is kind of a numbers game, and I want you to think about network marketing as a funnel, not something complicated like a sales funnel. Don't get me anything wrong like that. But when you're talking about a funnel, you've got the top of a funnel and then it sifts down, right? And network marketing is the same thing. So the more people you pull into the top of your funnel, the more people you're gonna have joining your downline, right? So what happens is at the top, you're putting people in. I'm gonna tell you how to do that. How do you put people into the top of your funnel? Where do you meet these people? And then you're gonna sift them because there's gonna be a lot of people that aren't interested in your opportunity or aren't interested in your products, and that's okay. But the more people you put in, the more people that will come out the bottom, and a lot of them are gonna get stuck along the middle. So in 2021, right now, the best place, in my opinion, to bring in the most leads are 2 places. One being TikTok and one being here on YouTube. Now, why do I say TikTok? TikTok has this really crazy algorithm where it introduces you to brand new people that you've never met before. You end up on the For You page and thousands and thousands of people can see your videos that you don't even know, right? Now, that's not happening over on Facebook unless you're paying for ads, right? So TikTok allows you to reach a very broad audience, and then you can use a link in your link tree, or you can use a milkshake or some sort of link to connect people into your Facebook group. So what you wanna do is you wanna bring people into your group, you provide value inside of the group, then you sell, you ask people, are they open to meeting you? Now, YouTube is another great place where I build my business because people see my company's name, my company's product, and I'm showing up on YouTube, and then they send me a message over here in my Facebook, right? So I'm taking my leads and I'm drawing them over into Facebook because really Facebook is the easiest place for you to connect with people, right? There's that like, know, and trust factor. So you take your leads either from YouTube or you take your leads either from TikTok and you bring them over into a Facebook group. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to use YouTube for your business, I'm gonna put a link to my free masterclass that I have over here. It's a free masterclass on how I use YouTube to grow my downline and to generate sales on autopilot. I generate over like $17,000 in sales, just personal sales every single month from YouTube, and bring in 4 to 5 business builders, right? But I'm funneling people back into my Facebook place. Then what do you need to do? You still need to connect on a human level to your prospects, right? So you're connecting with them, you're listening for pain points. I do not recommend those hey girl messages. They've never worked for me and they're really not working for anybody that I know. It's about providing value using attraction marketing. And what I'm gonna link over here in this video is I'm going to link for you my how I recruited 100 people in 100 days. So it gives you more tips on the recruiting process that I have over here. But the hey girl messages, it's about using attraction marketing. It's about providing value for your audience inside of the group. So you want to take these people, funnel them into the top of your Facebook group, nurture them, do all of those things, and then you're going to find that there's going to be people that are open to the opportunity. There's going to be people that are open to the sales. Now, the second thing you need to do is you need to build those relationships, right? So I build my entire business inside of Facebook Messenger. I am continuously connecting with people, listening for pain points, answering questions, getting to know them on a human level. And if I hear a pain point, then what I do is I ask them if they're open to taking a look at the opportunity. If not, no big deal. Then the third tip that I have for you is I use the ATM system. What does ATM stand for? It stands for add them to a group, tag them in a video, and then you message them, right? So I have an opportunity group for my prospects. I add them into that group and I tag them in a video. It's like a 7-minute opportunity video that my company has put out for me, and I message them. I want you to know less is more, right? So the less I say, the more I close. I let them lead. I say, when do you have about 15 minutes to watch this video? I'm going to tag you in it. We set up a time to meet and to chat again. And then the number here is a bonus tip for you. And how I recruit so many people is I say, what did you like best? And when they answer what they like best, then that's what I lead the conversation with. Then what do? I put them in a chat with my upline, and I let my upline do the closing for me. Now I do this for a few reasons. I want them to know that I don't need to be the expert and they don't need to be the expert, because what they're subconsciously thinking is, can I do this? And if you make it simple and you make it easy and they're looking at themselves, well, I can add people to a group, I can tag them in a message, and I can put them in a chat with my upline and let my upline answer all the questions. Yes, I can do this. That's when you start to have duplication on your team. That's when you start to have success in the recruiting business, right? So it's not just you recruiting, it's your team recruiting. So again, you want to make sure that you are making it simple, you want to make sure you're making it easy, and you are filling the top of your funnel every single day with more leads. If you are not having the success that you want in your business, my guess is that you are not putting in enough leads at the top of your funnel. So what are you going to do today? That's my question of the day. What social media platform are you going to use to bring in more leads into your business? Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear what it is, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out of another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.